Hey everyone, this is a quick video about how you can bring real-time streaming codes inside Excel if you are an OpenAlgo user. So I want to show you a small demo over here. So here you can find the real-time streaming codes are coming up, and this is for LTP, and here comes for the codes. I can also add some more other symbol as well. Let's say like OA underscore WS. I'm gonna go and add for codes, right? I'll select a symbol something like ICICI Bank, and then I'll place the NS exchange as NSC. So that way you can get ICICI streaming codes. So you can add as many you want. I'll be going for the LTP codes over here. Let's say I'll put an equal symbol and then I'll type OA underscore WS. The WS stands for WebSockets, right? And underscore followed by that I'm gonna add LTP. That's a function name, and I'm gonna enter the symbol as, let's say, for time being I'm gonna add something like ACC is what I'm going to add, and then the symbol exchange is going to be NSC. That's what I'm going to add, which I should be able to get that. And let me also try something like Sensex. Let's say if I want to try to get Sensex, I'm going to give like OA underscore WS underscore LTP. I'll give the symbol as Sensex. Now, of course, these are like index, OpenAlgo supported index symbol, and the exchange is going to be like BSE underscore index. So that should be fetching the Sensex codes. Sensex LTP will be fetched inside your Excel sheet, right? And here is the depth. For getting the depth, I'm going to use OA underscore WS underscore probably I'm going to use depth, right? So depth is what I'm going to use. The symbol is going to be, I'll take something like Wipro, and exchange I'm going to give like NSE, and the depth level by default it is going to be 5. If you can give 5, it's going to give you the 5 depth, or if you are it's an optional one, so even if you're not giving that, also by default it's going to fetch you the 5 codes into the you can see that it will be streaming inside your Excel sheet in real time, as you can compare with your trading terminal as well. And the best part is first you have to authenticate. So here is the authentication procedure over here. You have to connect with your WebSockets, which is running locally, right? So whatever the WebSocket that you are running, you have to connect with your local WebSocket connectivity. If you know the WebSocket URL, it's well and fine. Or if it is a default one, you can give the default value. You have to first connect it before start using the LTP codes and depth. So on top of that, you can build your own trading strategies, right? So ensure that you had connected with your OpenAlgo API and your OpenAlgo is running fine, and the WebSocket is connected, the connection is established and authenticated at the Excel side. Then you can start using the LTP codes and depth in real time. You can use it for place orders, all those things you can able to do with that. So from where you can download the Addin, if you ask me, you can always go back to let's say you can go to the documentation, scroll down to the trading platform. From here you can find Excel. So from the Excel you can go and click on the release section. From the release section you can download the latest version with OpenAlgo Excel add-in with the Excel support. You can download the exe file, install it, and try using it. Let me know how it works for you, right? So I hope this helps how to stream OpenAlgo codes. The data is anyways coming from the broker. So I hope this explains how you can stream real-time streaming codes inside your Excel sheet. I guess this solves your problem in building your own strategies in real time, firing orders in real time. Maybe in another video, we'll see how we can fire orders in real time by doing a simple comparison of the price action. That is for another video. Thank you. Bye bye.